Properties like this rarely become available in the market. Located here in Merville Park, Parañaque, you have easy access to Makati CBD and BGC, and you're minutes away to airport and entertainment hubs like Newport World Resorts and Okada, and highly accessible to Skyway, SLEX, and C5 extensions. Hi Prime investors, I'm architect Mark Zabala of I2 Prime Realty. Welcome to another Prime Property Tour. This property has 650 square meter lot area, 825 square meter floor area, 6 bedrooms with individual toilet and bath, private pool, solar panels, smart features, and a timeless tropical design, all sitting on a prime corner lot. With this kind of features and this kind of property, you know that it is hard to find. So, tara, let's take a look inside. Okay, so upon entering from our main door, we will notice immediately yung open plan layout dito sa ground floor. So, if you will notice, they have this very generous glass panels for sliding doors and windows, and from the look of it, talagang manonotice mo na above standard yung size or height ng doors and glass natin. I think it's around 2.4 to 2.5 square meter, wherein yung standard is 2.1 lang, di ba? So from here, you can have your dining area here. Tapos you have a sliding door dito which connects to your lanai and your private pool. And meron din silang access dito. So this is also a sliding door, so connected dito sa ating toilet and bath, which can also serve as your powder room. Kasi meron din siyang bath kasi pwedeng pag nag-swim ka, pwede ka mag-shower dito, di ba? So yon. And then you can also have your living area doon sa part na yon. And syempre, hindi natin mamimiss itong high ceiling na ginawa nila dito, no? So ang gusto ko kasi dito sa very generous na glass panels nila, parang it gives you a picturesque view of the tropical landscape they have outside, di ba? So sobrang nakakabigay siya ng very maaliwalas na feeling. So check natin yung first bedroom dito sa ground floor. So this can be your guest room. Ayan. So for your guest room, sobrang spacious niya, no? So parang kasya pa yung queen size bed. And hindi mo pa kailangan maglagay dito ng closet kasi nandito yung closet niya. So for a guest room, this is very spacious wardrobe, di ba? Ayan. And then, you also have your own toilet and bath. Okay? And then, they also have the second bedroom here. So, this one naman, mas malaki siya. And this can be your room for the elders in the future. No, meron siyang sliding door din dito, access outside, and then even yung windows nila malaki siya, no? Above standard din siya. And yung kanilang walk-in closet is very spacious, no? So pwedeng-pwede siya for the elder room kasi dito sa kanilang toilet and bath, meron na siyang his and her sink. And meron din siyang bathtub. So from the look of it, talagang makikita mo na very premium yung mga fixtures na ginamit nila for this house. Ayan. And then, syempre, dito sa ground floor, nandito din yung ating show kitchen. So, tingnan nyo kung gaano siya ka-massive, di ba? So, for this show kitchen, you also have your bar countertop. So, this can also be your parang breakfast nook, di ba? Tapos, sobrang laki ng kitchen island nila. So, you have plenty of counter space, no? Countertop, di ba? So, preparing your meals, talagang ang dami mong space. And madami siyang mga cabinets. Ayan. And then, dito naman sa area na to, nandito yung access from the 6-car garage. So, after groceries, may access ka na kagad dito sa kitchen mo. So, this one naman, ito yung ating service kitchen. Yan. So, you also have your service kitchen here. So, sobrang laki din niya, no? And plenty of cabinets, which also has access to your maid's room. So, ito naman yung maganda din dito. Nagulat ako, even the maid's room has aircon, no? And sobrang ganda din ng kanyang toilet and bath. With glass partition pa din siya for the maid's room. Diba? Ayan. So, that's for your kitchen. So, let's go upstairs for the second floor. So, by the way, yung stairs nila is made of hardwood Nara. So, very premium. And yun nga, palagi kong binabanggit, no? Para sa mga hagdanan, sobrang na-appreciate ko kapag ang ganda ng measurements. So, sobrang lapad ng steps and mababa lang yung rise ng steps. So, parang hindi ka umaakyat, para ka lang naglalakad. Doon mo kasi masasabi na well-designed talaga yung area, no? So, even yung floor dito sa second floor is made of hardwood Nara. So, very premium talaga siya. Ayan. So, on this side, you have a space or a room. So, pwede siya maging office, no? Na naka-glass, din siya, panels. Tapos, this is our first bedroom here sa second floor. Ayan. So, iba din yung effect, no? Nung hardwood Nara na floor. Parang it gives warmth din sa space, di ba? And, syempre, parang sobrang bihira for a second floor na ganito ka-high yung ceiling, di ba? And even yung mga doors and windows, sobrang laki niya. So, talagang well-lit yung space. Yan. So, let's check yung toilet and bath. So, you have your walk-in closet. So, sobrang spacious pa niya. Actually, parang pwede ka pang maglagay ng parang island dito, no? Yan. And, yung kanyang toilet and bath with bathtub. Majority of the bathroom here has bathtub, no? So maliban lang doon sa guest room kanina. Pero all the bedrooms meron siyang bathtub. So check natin yung another room. So they also have this extra room here. So, pwede siyang, parang multi-purpose room siya. Pwede siyang maging gym or pwede mo siyang gawing studio, no? Or music room, ganyan. So, this one is the second bedroom here sa second floor. So, meron siyang sarili niyang balcony. And, tingnan natin yung toilet and bath. So, may walk-in closet din siya. Tapos, may his and her sink din siya. So, you have two sink. No? Pero hindi pa ito yung master's bedroom natin. Yan. So, meron pa din siyang bathtub. So, check natin yung ating... By the way, they also have a storage room dito, no? So, may extra room din siya. Then, this space, itong common space na to, pwede din siyang gawing family area or reading area, game area. So, this is another bedroom. So, meron din siyang sarili niyang balcony. And, talagang sobrang ganda kapag mataas yung yung mga windows and yung mga sliding doors, yung mga glass panel. Mas lumuluwag yung space. So, you also have your walk-in closet here. So, sobrang laki ng space ng walk-in closet nila. And then, meron din siyang his and her sink. And meron din siyang bathtub. Sobrang spacious nung toilet and bath. So, let's check yung pinaka-master's bedroom nila. Ayan. So, syempre, this is the master's bedroom. This is the biggest room. Ayan. So, very spacious. And sobrang Ganda din nung orientation nung room. Meron din siyang sarili niyang balcony. Tapos dito naman yung kanyang walk-in closet. Ayan. So you have a very massive wardrobe here. Pwede ka pang maglagay dito ng island. And then, yung wardrobe nila dito, this time, meron siyang mirror. Very nice. And pag nakita nyo siya in person, you can tell na very well executed yung mga design dito. Tapos pagpasok mo dito sa toilet and bath, you have another extra closet space, no? And of course, with your his and her sink again. So given the property size and the features that we saw on this property, no, and even the price point, you can say talaga that this property is a good find. So if you want to experience it personally and set a viewing, send me a message. Again, I'm Architect Mark Zabala of I2 Prime Realty. See you on our next Prime Property Tour.